Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title below, I will be sharing my brow routine. If you are interested to know, or like bet lang nimo bet lang nimo makibaka sa akong pagkilay, just keep on watching. I'm gonna zoom you in right to this area here, so para close up jud kita guys. Enough na ka ni siya na pagka-zoom. Okay, basta zoom na siya, oy. Okay. So first is, I'm gonna be using Browvo Conditioning Primer with Benefit. Good Lord. Blay og jud, sorry. So, tada! Ni-work na siya. Okay, so kana siya ang first product. Next is, I'll be using Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. Gara. Boom. So I'm just gonna use this to line or outline my brows. Guys, na-stress ko auto-focus anya, isapot na ko. Okay, so after the outline part, okay, I will be using my Anastasia Dipbrow Pomade in the shade Soft Brown. Dipbrow Pomade, Soft Brown, Anastasia. Okay, so I'll be using this Morphe brush right here. I don't know what number is this, but set kasi siya this. Just gonna tame it. Boom. And then I'll fill it. Okay. There we have it. Guys, sorry jud if haggard ko kay jud. Kilay ra jud mi akong gilingkod ko. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna use BYS Eyebrow Powder, the middle shade. Alright. Padali ra kay ko mangilay. So, this is the finish. Look. Kilay ra ni guys. Sorry jud kayo ako. Ang may kay dili kay na grabe kasi sa akong eyebags. But, mo na siya. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to click the like and subscribe button down below. And see you in my next video. Bye!